Hey, what's up you guys? It's Alyssa Meghan. Welcome back to my channel. So for last week's video, for those of you that watched it, I did a summer lookbook. So in the spirit of summer, I thought this week I would do a summer makeup routine that I do every day. So if you want to know what I do and achieve this look, make sure to keep watching. So let's get into the video. It's me again. Okay, so just before the video starts, I just wanted to do a disclaimer and say I'm not really too into makeup, so I apologize now if I did anything wrong or if it wasn't done properly. I'm sorry, I'm not a beauty guru. I don't really know what I'm doing with makeup, but I'm trying to get into it and make sure it's good. So this is just the start. It will get better, don't worry. Yeah, but it's just supposed to be sort of a fun thing, so don't get too mad at me if I do something wrong. Yeah, also, if you guys know any makeup products that I should try or good ones, make sure to tell me in the comments below because I'm trying to get into makeup, as I said. And also, some of my makeup products are running low, so I'm trying to look into getting new ones, especially concealer. Yeah, okay, so let me know. Enjoy the video. The first thing that I always do is put my hair up, and also I got this cute little cat ears headband to keep the baby hairs out of my face. So after exfoliating and washing my face, I put on some Nivea Intensive Nourishment Moisturizer just so that my face doesn't get dried out or anything like that. Now I'm going to be starting with concealer, so I'm just taking my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Liquid Concealer, and after struggling with it for a little bit because it's almost empty, I just applied that on my chin, under my eyes, and on my eyelids, as well as on the side of my nose and between my eyebrows. So after I'm done applying my concealer, I'm just going to be blending it in with my beauty blender, and I tried to blend out the inner and outer corners of my eyes first, and then do the middle just because I feel like it helps to add more coverage to it. To be taking my eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes. After that's done, I like to just make sure they're properly spread out and ready for the next step, which is mascara. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline New York Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express mascara, and I'm just going to be applying that to my upper and lower lashes. I like to apply a lot of mascara just because I like my eyelashes to be very big and as bold and volumized as possible, so I tend to start at the base of the lashes and work my way up. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking this little brush from Sephora and just comb through them because I don't like to do them, but I like them to be perfect. So I'm just going to be brushing them and making sure they look nice and straight. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay highlighter and I'm just going to add that to my cheekbones just a little bit and just brush it on. And then I'm going to be putting a lot on my nose because I like it to be shiny. And the last area that I'm going to be putting the highlighter in is the inner corner of my eyes. So I just add a little bit there and try to blend it out a little bit so it's not such harsh lines. So I do this because I feel like it makes my eyes look a little bit brighter and bigger, which I like. Finishing off, I'm going to be adding some Burt's Bees moisturizing lip balm to make sure my lips don't get chapped during the summer with the heat and make sure that they're shiny. So that's it for my summer makeup routine. This is what the finished product looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope you liked the look. Maybe you can recreate it. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching. All my social media will be linked down below, so go make sure to follow me there so we can be friends. And yeah, see you guys next video.